Now let's step back and meet the tree itself. A root at the top, branching into children, which branch again, all the way down to the leaves. No cycles. Just one clean path from the root to anywhere. And trees are absolutely everywhere. Your computer's file system. The HTML of this very page. A company's org chart. Anything with a hierarchy is secretly a tree. So here is the interesting question. How do you visit every single node? It turns out there are two great strategies. The first is depth first. You go as deep as you possibly can down one branch before backing up to try another. It is naturally recursive. Visit me, then recurs into each of my children. Quietly, it runs on a stack. And within depth first, the exact moment you handle a node matters. Pre-order, you handle the node, then its children. Post-order, children first, then the node. Which is perfect for deleting a tree or summing up sizes from the bottom. The second strategy is breadth first. You visit level by level like ripples spreading on a pond. The root, then all of its children, then all of the grandchildren. And this one runs on a queue. Depth first dives. Breadth first sweeps. Pick the one that matches the shape of the answer you need. And traversal becomes second nature.